But let's move away from that. Symphony, in fact, that mid-cap company did post a good set of numbers. You had the margins which scaled up. The profits were higher by close to 48%. We've got Nrupesh Shah, ED of Symphony, now joining in on the show. To start off with, Mr. Shah, it's been a good set of numbers, so congratulations. But while sharing the key highlights, can you tell us what were the drivers behind this kind of a performance?
So key highlights are during the quarter, sales has grown by 31%, PAT has grown by 48%, and for the half year, sales has grown by 67% and PAT has increased by 108%. In terms of key drivers, the range of new models as well as completely range of window air coolers, both have been received very well. Over and above that, price increase in the range of 5 to 15% and better sales mix have also received well. In terms of international business, sales to IMCO has restarted. Over and above that, sales to rest of the world has seen a robust growth in excess of 40%. And in industrial air cooling, we have now segmented the projects and industries like railway, religious segments, and that has also helped.
The Q2, I mean, looking at your EBIT margins in home appliances, they have fallen to 19% versus 37% YOY, despite any uptick in the segment revenues of 85% and EBIT increase of 31%. What do you attribute this to, and how have the other areas fared?
So about EBITDA for the quarter, it stands at about 35 crore versus 27 crore, and in terms of percentage, it stands at 29% versus 30%, while for the half year, EBITDA stands at close to 55 crore versus about 30 crore, and for the half year, EBITDA percentage to gross revenue stands at about 28% versus 25%.
Mr. Shah, what's the domestic and export revenue growth that you've clocked in, and which are the product segments which have seen good traction?
About domestic growth during the quarter was 25%, and for the first half it was 62%. And in export, as base itself was very low, it is more than 300%, and for the first half it is in excess of 200%. And about the drivers, of course, new range of models plus higher value of models have received and performed very well, both in domestic market as well as in export market.
And leave us with the growth and margin outlook for the next couple of quarters based on the robust demand that you're seeing.
No, so because of our various strategies, in the first half we have succeeded in breaking the seasonality at a trade level. So most of the sales, whatever has taken place, is at a level of distributor or dealer. So of course, depending upon how season behaves in third quarter and fourth quarter, performance should be reflected. But at the same time, trade seems to be very buoyant, very confident, and sentiments are very positive. So we feel that buoyancy in demand should continue. Having said that, in medium to long term, we expect 25 to 30% growth. Coming to margin, because of our business model, because of our cost structure, we are confident of maintaining current margin level.
All right, Mr. Shah, thanks so much for joining in and giving us a view on your profit figures as well as what the road is ahead for Symphony, up by 0.6% at 470. Havells India, let's just quickly